कंट्रोवर्सी कुछ नहीं है। देखो बाबा छिछोरी अब दिखा नहीं है। देखो नौवारी आगे से पहना है सलमान ये अटैक हमारा पूर्वजों का जमीन है। मतलब मेरा दादा के परदादा के दादा का जमीन।
You know, somewhere in the promotion something went wrong. You actually gave a statement on it as well. When we actually had this entire small teaser of Taj Mahal band ho jayega and things went. Sometimes things do go wrong, but then the whole point is how do you look at the fact that people don't even have the sense of humor to take it anymore? Don't seem to have a sense of humor anymore.
Exactly, we're becoming oversensitive. This is about everything.
Just like you're a very angry nation.
Suddenly we become very angry. I don't know why and when that thing happened, but
let's not even comment there because you might just not know what happened after that.
Yeah, but I feel that was not really the intention to create any kind of controversy. The idea was to just make people curious about what this thing is and what the film is all about. And we were going to come up with another poster which said that 23rd September Vataj releases. So watch out for this space and this and that. But before that, suddenly it was blown out of proportion, and then we felt, okay, now people already know that it's a film and what we're doing from is wrong. In the sense, the whole poster thing, and then that's the reason we apologize. And
of course, you sent out a nice.
I mean, if people are in any way offended with it, we're really very sorry about it.
Okay, now coming to both of you, it's an important film for both of you as well in terms of from a career perspective. It's a solo film after quite some time for both of you. A hit matters.
Well, definitely.
Yes, of course.
It does because you do a film not for your personal movie. You want people to go out there and see it. And obviously, if you give a hit and a solo release or even an average kind of a film, the chances of you being approached with some decent scripts are more.
Yeah.
And that's when you get to do something more of what you want to do. So then you can tell people, yeah, aisa try. And of course, the way industry works, even though you're a good actor,
of course,
but if your film has not worked, and if you tell them that very interesting script hai, करते हैं, sir, interesting script का कुछ नहीं होता है sir, मसाला चाहिए, so then if you have a hit under your belt, you can at least, people are convinced about what you are saying. He knows what he's talking about. Unfortunately, that is the way
Bollywood works, the Hindi film industry works.
Yeah, and no complaints about it. That's the way it is.
You're a producer, Shreyas. You're a producer. Hey, Marathi.
Yeah.
So is that how you look at films when you produce as well?
See, obviously, you want a hit under your belt. You want people to like your film more than a hit. It's eventually people liking the film in more numbers. That's where it starts to matter. So once you start getting that kind of response, I don't really care if it starts slow. But if it's a word of mouth is strong enough, and that's
Welcome
what
to
really, it started real slow. Or recent, Queen, or even Oh My God for that matter. Yeah. It started slow, but then because the film was nice, it started picking up, and then it reached to wherever it did. So my thing is that it's very important that because if you believe in a particular script, and I mean script, okay, I'm not talking about a project because again a project becomes completely different ball game altogether.
Of course, projects are projects.
ये स्टार को ले लो, इसको ले लो, इतना प्रोडक्शन होगा, इतने में आप करके दो. If you believe in a particular script, then you feel कि यार ये audience तक पहुंचानी जरूरी है, पहुंचनी जरूरी है और उनको अच्छी लगनी जरूरी है. Somewhere you need that validation. Because otherwise आप घर पे कितनी बार देखोगे ना अपनी फिल्म? कितने लोगों को दिखाओगे? दोस्तों को बुला के कितनी बार दिखाएंगे?
Manjari, your wise words on what the man has said just now.
No, absolutely correct. I think a hit really matters to everybody's career. Because in the middle, like after Jaane To Ya Jaane Na, for a very long time, I had done work, but unfortunately Zokumon was not promoted. People did not even know it was releasing.
I know,
Yeah, so that happened. And then the moment Grand Masti came in, again I came back on the market. So where people were suddenly, Manjari is there and everything.
Market में आ गई रानी, market में वापस आ गई.
And then within a year of that, Kiss Kiss Ko Pyar Karo released, where I got recognized more. That was a hit again. So again, then suddenly people woke up to me more that, she's like, she's
there.
good. She's still there.
She's always there.
I'll always be there. मैं लंबी रेस की घोड़ी हूँ, okay.
I thought she's a girl. घोड़ी है चिचोरी घोड़ी है.
इतनी लंबी रेस की घोड़ी है ये आज पता चला. But it does matter. And you know, I definitely I like to say this. I love being an underdog because when an underdog triumphs, you know, there's no better high than that. So,
And there's no expectations, like there are less expectations, and when you actually break that and you suddenly people see that you can do this and you can do that, then that excitement is a little more.
So basically, Shreyas loves being Iqbal all over again in the real life as well. The underdog that triumphs.
Absolutely, you know, because like she said, there aren't too many expectations, and then if you give them something even remotely nice or nicer, they just lap it up. Yeah, इससे तो कुछ मतलब like in our promotions now when we are promoting our film with the trailer and the theatrical trailer going out, suddenly people are just like,
it's a very catchy trailer.
अच्छा यार, interesting है यार, देखना पड़ेगा.
Plus the accent that comes along with it.
Exactly.
Fun.
वो एक घाटी वाटी वो सब है ना, लोगों को अच्छा लगा. So my thing is कि yes, they started slow, and जो हम करते जा रहे हैं, the kind of response we are getting, let's say if we are expecting 2, we are getting 4. If we are expecting 4, we are getting 8. So that's, I guess, a really positive thing. And yes, I mean, a film like Wataj, till probably a couple of months back, no one even knew about this. Suddenly it came on the market. And,
which is again, yes, it did get stuck because it was supposed to release last year.
Yeah, but you know, even Taj Mahal took some time in the making. So.
But man, I would have never got that. I mean, that was a master stroke answer. Charan kahan hai? Charan kahan hai?
It's okay.
Charan wahan hai. Charan wahan hai. All right then. Thank you for talking to us, Shreyas. I mean, we really hope that this one pushes you back to what I think you should be. I mean, we had loved Iqbal and Door and Januti Ka Janina. I mean, I don't know how many times you've seen that. Right? I mean, like I
guess it's all these good wishes and all these blessings and all this positivity is what is eventually going to matter. You know, at the end of the day, if people feel that they need to see more of a particular actor, whether it's me or Manjiri or anybody, I think that is a bigger reward than anything else that there can be. So we are actors. We'll keep doing our job. We'll keep trying to make some good films. Sometimes people love them, sometimes they don't. But and we just want to thank them for giving us one more opportunity.
All the best then. So thank you so much, Manjari. Thank you so much, Shreyas. And let's just say the audience says,
Wow.
On September 20th.
On September 23rd.
September 23rd.
September 23rd.
Thank you, Chishori Chori.